6:04 right now. We could learn the fate of one of the men accused of murdering Dr. Teresa Sievers as soon as this morning. Yesterday, Jimmy Rodgers' defense rested their case without calling a single witness to the stand. We'd mentioned Rodgers may take the stand in his own defense, but when the judge gave him that option, he declined. Rodgers is one of 3 people charged in a murder-for-hire conspiracy. The state says Rodgers and Curtis Wright beat Dr. Teresa Sievers to death with a pair of hammers. This happened back in her home in Bonita Springs in 2015. The other person accused of doing this, Curtis Wright, took a plea deal. The state says Sievers' husband, Mark, orchestrated this entire plot. In closing statements, the prosecution summarized all of their evidence they presented during the trial. They also focused on how Rodgers lied about going to Florida in the first place.
Why were Curtis Wayne Wright and Jimmy Ray Rodgers in Florida on June 28th and the early hours of June 29th? The answer to that question has become clear. They were here to murder Teresa Sievers.
The defense, meanwhile, pounced on what they call flaws in the state's physical evidence, including the blue jumpsuit Rodgers allegedly wore for this murder that detectives found on the side of the road in Missouri.
This blue jumpsuit by the side of the road, without any blood on it. Now, the state would have you believe that it laid out there, it was mowed over, and it rained on it. And rained on it and what? What is it, rain seltzer in Missouri?
The defense also says using a hammer as a murder weapon indicates a crime of rage and not a contract killing. Remember, you can count on us for all coverage of this. We have been in your corner throughout this trial, and we will continue to be. We will have live coverage from the courthouse once a verdict is reached, whether that is today, tomorrow, or in the coming days. And you'll be able to watch all of this on our Fox 4 Facebook page and on fox4now.com.